Here I am, good morning. I have been working on this Harig grinder, but the biggest job was cleaning this room out of boxes of junk. I kind of became a pack rat, and that has taken a very long time because I had all kinds of stuff in these boxes, had to sort through it. But anyway, I've got this grinder ready to go, and let's have a quick look at it. Hope you're all doing well today. It's snowing a little bit, but it warmed up. Let's see if I can get this microphone in a good spot. It's gonna fight me all the way. Hold on. This is terrible. Okay, get this out of the way. Here we go. So I got this thing cleaned up. I've got it wired up. I've got the oil pump working. You can see it's half filled the window. I was asked about this oil pump, and I'll show you. It's not the stock one. Let me get back here while I'm thinking about it. Okay, now the original oil pumps for these are 220 volt, and this is just a little giant pump. It's got that plastic guard in there to prop it up. You can see the oil dripping from the top column on there, so it's lubricating. Okay, I'll stick this back on. I've got Harig whey oil in there, and I think you can use Vectra too if you thin it a little bit with kerosene, somebody told me, and I'll try that. A viewer sent me 5 gallons of Vectra too. Boy, that's going to come in handy. So I got this thing basically leveled, just using just a regular mechanics level here, and I've got a master precision level, but I think this is good enough for right now. Let it kind of settle in. And this cabinet has 4 legs, and the easy way to level something like this is it's like a hard inch. The most weight is towards the back. So if you run the table either way, you can take all the weight off this front leg here, or that one if you have the table going the other way. Then use the back 2 and one of these to level it. And then once it's level, you just bring this one tight until it doesn't, make sure it doesn't influence your final setting. So, okay, that's set, and everything's working. I got the magnetic chuck working. I have to go get the rotary phase converter going, and then the first thing to do is to dress this wheel here, and we'll go from there. I'll go out and start that thing. This Monarch 10EE runs on 220 volt single phase, 5 horsepower Thyratron vacuum tube drive. Single phase. All others require 3 phase, and I got American Rotary phase converter here. It's just been excellent, and you can thank them for power to the machines. Now I got a line out in the garage here, and I got a line running from this down to the basement there, and I have a cutoff on here. Otherwise, there's power going through this box even when it's at stop. So now I can start it. I'll go downstairs and start that grinder. Okay, let's start this thing up. Not too noisy. Okay, I got a diamond dresser there. Get the chuck on. Okay, I'm going to lower the wheel to the dresser. I think you can see that okay. There it is. Okay, now I've run it across there a couple of times here. Give it about 2,000. Oh, I'm going to turn my vacuum on. Okay, here we go. Looking pretty good. I'm going to do one more pass on it. Now I'm going to transverse the wheel rather quickly and give it more of an open face. Okay. Now, this is something that can be done. If you take a stick, like a motorbike stick, and just touch those edges. On the back too. Now I'll take some of the stray abrasives off that'll leave scratches. Okay. I'll be back in a second here. Okay, I got a project here for the first test grind, and what this is, it's one of a lost pair of parallels, and this was in a scrap pile basically, and for some reason the shop reground these, and I hope you can see. I'll get it close and you can see how bad the finish is on this. And it's both sides too. Now this is a 6x12 grinder, and this is 16 inches long. And what I'm going to do is make two out of this. I'm going to cut it right down the middle here with a abrasive wheel and make two of these, and then grind them as a pair in the surface grinder and see if we can get a little better finish than that. It's just dreadful. And then I moved my, surface plate in here in the inspection area. It's working out pretty good. It's going to be a nice little deal. Okay, I will load this as a video and be back with that grind. Okay, have a good morning.